Hello everybody, welcome to beautiful Pensacola Beach. It's windy, it's cold. Let's go for a walk, warm up, and find some shells. That's an egg cockle. Look at the colors in the sky. Beautiful. Standing on the other side of this little pool, and I saw something. Immature fighting conch. Oh, sand dollar make you holla. Look at that, right there. Look out, here comes the water. Let's just poke through this spot for a little bit. That's an Imperial Venus. Cool looking crossbarred Venus. Calico scallop. And let me step across. There's another pretty cool calico. Let me pan out a little bit. You can see this wash area here. Probably zigzag back and forth for a little bit. There's an olive. And a bittersweet. See something orange over here. Okay, just a piece of a broken shell. What about in here? Oh, look at this one. Look at the colors there. Even though it's broken, we're going to take that one. There's a nice base scallop. Another olive. Scallops in here. Pretty base scallop. Look at this little spiny jewel box. There's another olive. A little pool to check. Osprey flying above us. Another olive. Calico clam. And let's check this spot. Still surprised we haven't seen a Bonnie. Here's a cockle shell. Oh, look at the red up ahead. Grab that one. And then scallop over here. Oh, Oh, look at that. Look at how dark that is just sitting there. Nice. Beautiful colors. And the bittersweet over here. One more little olive before the water comes up. Alright, so since we're wet, I figured might as well walk on the outer edge. Oh, let me turn around. I just saw a whelk right by this little olive. Little whelk. There's a lady in waiting Venus. Cool looking bittersweet. Look at them popping with the sun coming up. Those scallops here. Look at that one. That's the whopper olive. Nice bittersweet. Something in here. Oh, look at this. Those are pretty cool when you get the white scallop and a dot there on the hinge. Here's our first speckled talon of the day. Oh, look at that. Number one and number two. Well, that is surprising that we haven't found a Bonnie. I mean, with the amount of shells, you would think we would have found one. This is that area you just saw me walk through, and look what I found. Look at that gorgeous alphabet, barnacle, fighting conch, an olive, and look at that, a gaudy. But look at the alphabet cone. Just, I mean, it was right there on top. Look at it. In that area we said we would, you know, walk through. The shells have been blown over, that north wind. Grab these and keep walking. Now I'm going to pay more attention here. I can't believe that alphabet cone was sitting up here. There's another fighting conch. Now I'm like walking through here paying attention. You know, got the $6 million man eye going on, just staring at the shells, and that could have just been that spot. I'm not going to give up on this, you know, walking through this sandy old rack line. That could have just been that spot, which was definitely a jackpot there. But Now if you just look from some... Okay, hang on. Alright, ready, go. So I'm elevated here looking down at the beach. You can see the wet rack line down there, and there's not too much going on there. But in here, we're just going to walk back and forth. That's where we found that alphabet cone. Look at this, just zigzagging back and forth. Lightning welk. Sure fighting conch up here. Isn't it interesting that we're finding shells in this sandy spot? This dry sandy area looks like snow blowing. There's an olive up ahead. This one could have just been washed in because it wasn't covered. I guess the rest of these are covered. The water's been getting as high as right there. Come on, Bonnie. Looking for that first bonnet of the day. It's a bittersweet. Walk down by the edge. Oh, no way. No way. Look at this. Ha! Our Bonnie. In the blown over sand, there's one footprint. And I know another sheller came through. That one, the other person was barefoot. Nice. Found our bonnet. So finding that bonnet was frosting on the cake. Let's see if we can go up by the dunes and go through the shells we found today. Just one more shell. I know I said it, but just one more. Welcome to What's in Your Shell Bag Beach Mom and Dad. Let's start with the scallops. Lots of color today. I think this one was our best one. Look at that orange there, and I guess the closer you get to the hinge, some red. Lucines. And these are the calico clams. Quite a few of those. Quite a few bittersweets of assorted colors and sizes. I guess that was a surprise. Spiny jewel box. Pretty nice looking Imperial Venus. That was a surprise. The gaudy. Of course, that was found in the area with the alphabet cone. Two nice surprises today. Just goes to show, again, always need to check all parts of the beach, not just the wet rack line. Had some nice adult fighting conchs, some juveniles, lots of olives, some barnacles. I'd say that shark eye is the best one of the day. Nice one. different species of Venus clams today. Oh, and then the Bonnie. Let's not forget the Bonnie. Talked about finding a bonnet all morning, and then just before we're fixing to leave, of course, there were several one more shell moments, but we found that Bonnie a little bit covered with sand with some footprints around it. And then a couple scallops and the lone sand dollar. Nice cool morning for shelling. I hope you all stayed warm. Again, thank you all for coming along on this walk, and I'll be seeing you all back out on the beach. Y'all take care.